Hey guys, I'm gonna change those halogen indicator to LED. Um, there are some options in Amazon. You can buy those LED one, but I do like those the casing and everything that look good. But I'm gonna do is just change the bulbs inside. So I got these. So these are amber. I think $16 for two. And advanced auto, just picked him up. I went ahead and installed one, and let me show you guys how it looks. Let's see. So they are much brighter than the halogen one. But make sure test it out before put everything back together, because of LEDs you have to switch it around, make sure that it comes on. So I'm gonna put it back into the casing, see how it looks. So let's give it a try, see. I mean, it is hyper flashing for now, but I'm gonna have the LED relay that I have ordered from TST Industries. Should solve that. It's a big difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and install all four of them, and come back and show you guys how it come up. That's it. You just take this screw out, and that's it. You can twist, and the casing comes off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Turn the key on just to make sure that it comes on. It didn't, so I'm just gonna switch it around. There you go. And this is it. Casing back on. Put it in and twist, and that's it. So it's only takes about what? 2 minutes? Looks good. Right, so next thing today I'm going to do is this is gonna come off. So I do have a fender eliminator from Amazon.